So now we've got two different shortcuts to existing templates in this new library that we're creating. The other thing that you may want to do as part of the development or organization of a new library is add folders to the library. Adding a folder to a library allows you to divide that library into different parts, give it a little more organization, make it a little easier for users to access the template or templates that they need to use. Adding a folder is a very simple process. I'm just going to highlight the title of the library. There are two different techniques that you can use to add a folder. You can go to the Add Item button on the toolbar, and then in the type drop down you can jump all the way down to where it says folder, and then whatever you enter here in the title field is going to be the name of that folder here in the library. So if I wanted to create a folder in which I might have some templates related to child support, I could do that easily enough here by clicking on OK, and now I've got a child support folder. Another way to create a folder, and this is perhaps a little easier than simply clicking on the Add Item button, is to right-click where you want that folder to be created in the library. And you can see that there is a separate Add Folder item in the right-click menu. So when I click on Add Folder here, all that does is it brings up that same Add Item dialog that I accessed by way of this toolbar button, but it automatically selects folder as the type of item that I want to add. So I might create another folder here, call that Agreements. When I click on OK, you can see that HotDocs creates another folder. I'm partial to the right click just because it saves a step, but you can certainly use the first technique as well. You can create as many folders as you like within a library. You can also create subfolders. So if I wanted to create a subfolder here, I could simply right-click on the folder in which I wanted to create a subfolder, click on Add Folder, and then I could call this whatever I want to call it. And then when I click on OK, you'll notice that that subfolder is indented a bit underneath the folder in which it was created.